me tell you, you see that your bone straight, eh? You see that your bone straight? No stretcher. Don't ever stretch it. If you stretch it, you don't spoil the hair. If you stretch it, you don't do it. You don't spoil the hair. Don't ever put something. Don't ever put hot something on it. Don't put hot comb. Don't put hot hair stretcher. Don't ever stretch it. Do you hear me? Don't ever do what? Don't stretch it. You dey hear am? Don't stretch it oh. Allow it stay like that till eternity. It will be straight because it is called what? It is called bone straight. It will forever be straight. It will do what? It will forever be straight. Why is it called bone straight? It is called bone straight now, so it has to be straight from now till thy kingdom come. No stretch am. You go there straight. Yeah, my sister, no stretch am oh. Now what? No stretch am oh. Auntie, no put one stick oh. No put one stick for the center. No put am. If you put am, you go spoil the hair. Auntie, you see this hot comb? It will damage this hair. What did I say? It will do what? See, I don't spoil the hair. See, you don't spoil the hair. Don't ever try this. Don't put hot comb. See, you see, don't put hot comb in your bone straight. Don't put hot comb. If you put hot comb, you will spoil. What am I even saying? Auntie, I hear say you know they bob your boss. You go just wear am fair. You go wear am like that. You are good to go. I like am. I like am like that. I like am like that. No bob am. No bob am. You are doing it the right way. Don't bob it. No bob am. You dey hear me? No bob your bone straight. No bob am. E no go fine. E no go fine. No bob am. Just leave am like that. Leave am. Wear am make it dey straight. Fiam. Wear am like that. It is called what? Bone straight now. Bone straight. It's always be straight. No bob am. Just no bob am. Sister, bone straight oil. No put am. Don't put it because you want to maintain the hair. Don't put it oh. It's not good. It will spoil the hair. They hear me so? Don't put small like this. It's just little. Don't. In fact, if you want to put and pour everything. Pour everything. Don't put little. Make you massage am for the hair. Don't do it oh. Don't do it. You will spoil this hair. You will spoil this hair. Hi. Auntie, you will spoil this hair now. You will spoil this hair. Una to do. Wetin happen? Nobody should come for me. No, I don't send you. I don't know why will somebody make her not talk. Okay. Now bye bye.